Okay, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So this particular video will focus on how to create individual or yearly annual rainfall maps. So for example, if you want to create a rainfall map for only the year 2020, then maybe 2021, 2022, yes, so different years. That is what this particular video is going to focus on. Then I'll do another video where we will delve into how to create average annual rainfall map. Yes, but for now, let us specifically focus on the yearly annual rainfall map. So this is the Tafo municipality of the Ashanti region of Ghana, specifically Kumasi, and I want to create the annual rainfall map of the area in the year 2020 to 2024. So these are the rainfall data. Have you seen it? This is it. So we have 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, and 2024. So if you drag the 2020 data, this is it. You get it. It is covering a wider area. So when we are creating the annual rainfall data, we will clip it to be narrowed to only our study area. You get it. If you want to know how I downloaded this data, you can check out the video up there. That is the link over there. It will teach you how you can download rainfall data like this. Okay, so now let us go to properties. Right click, you go to properties and you go to source. Let us see something. Spatial reference. It will tell you it is undefined, it is unknown. Have you seen that? So that means we have to define the spatial reference. So you go to the catalog, you right click, you go to properties, then add a spatial reference, then you select the edits, then you choose a coordinate system for it. Have you seen that? Then you repeat the same for 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024. But for now, let us create the annual rainfall data for 2020. I have dragged it. So now that I have dragged it and defined my coordinate system, the next step is that we are going to, and the boundary is also here. Have you seen that? Yes. So now let us go to the ArcGIS box. That is where we are going to create the annual rainfall data. Have you seen that? Yes. So what we are going to do is that we go to the ArcGIS box. That is the brownish color over there. Have you seen that? So let us wait for it to finish loading. So when it comes, we are going to go to the conversion tool. Then after that, we are going to convert this to a point. So this is the conversion tool. Have you seen that? Then we will go to from raster. Have you seen that? Then raster to point. You select that one. The input raster is going to be the 2020 annual rainfall data. Have you seen that? So it is loading. Let us wait for it to load. Now it is done. Now that it is done, the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to specify where we want it to be saved. So you go here, you select it, then you locate the folder. So the folder is here. This is it. So you can create a folder here, then maybe you name it rainfall_points. Have you seen that? So let us name it 2020. Have you seen that? When you are done, then you click OK. Yes. So now this has been converted to points. Have you seen the points? Yes. So the next thing is that we have to project this particular point. It is now in a projected geographic coordinate system, so we have to project it. So you go to search, then you search for project. If your search is not here, you find it here. If it is not there, you go to Windows, you see search. So project, then you choose project data management. When you are done, so in the first input you select the 2020, the points. Have you seen that? Then let us choose where we want it to be saved. So you choose 2020 underscore project. Have you seen that? Then we save it. Then over here we select the projected coordinate system. Then we click OK. It is done. So now we don't need this one, so we will uncheck that one. Have you seen that? When you are done, the next step is that we are going to create the annual rainfall map. To do that, let us go back to the Arc2 box. Then we are going to Spatial Analyst 2. Have you seen that? Spatial Analyst tools. When you go to the Spatial Analyst tools, there is a tool over here called interpolation. Have you seen this? You select it. Then you select IDW. In the first input layer, select the projected line 2020 underscore pro. Have you seen that? When you are done, the next step is that at the Z value, you can choose grid code. Have you seen that? When you are done, then you go to the environment. Now, this is a wider raster file, raster point, but we want to specify the analysis to our study area, which is TAFO. So we will go to environment. At the environment, you will see processing extent over there. Select that one. Then here you choose same as your study boundary, TAFO district. When you are done, then you go to the next one is raster analysis. You select raster analysis. At the mask, then you select TAFO district, your boundary. Do you get it? When you are done, then you click OK. Then you go to where you want to save it. So this is rainfall point. Do you get it? So you can create another folder, maybe annual rainfall. Have you seen that? Then you click, then you write 2020. You click save. When you are done, then you click OK. Now that it is done, we can uncheck this raster. We can uncheck this point, uncheck the boundary. Have you seen that? So now, this is the rainfall pattern of the year 2020 of the TAFO municipality of the Ashanti region of Ghana. So you right click it, you go to properties, then you go to symbology. You can format the data labels over here. I want the number of significant figures to be only one. Then I will reduce the classes to 5. Okay. So in the year 2020, at the northeastern part, the rainfall at that area was very low. But the area that experienced the highest rainfall was the eastern part. This is here. Have you seen that? Yes. That is it. So you can come to the layout view and design the map. Have you seen the whole scenario? Yes. So this is the annual rainfall data for the year 2020 of the TAFO municipality of the Ashanti region of Ghana. In my next video, I am going to repeat this same process and create a rainfall data for 2021, 2022, 2023 and 2024. And in the next video, I am going to design the map for you to see the individual rainfall data for all the years. Do you get it? Yes. So whilst you are also watching, with the experience and the process I went through, you can also repeat the same process and do the annual rainfall data for your study area for different years. Do you get it? Then you join me in the next video so that we design them. So thank you very much for watching. If this is your first time being on this channel, I am pleading on you to help me with a subscription. If you found this video helpful, help me grow. This is a small channel that is struggling to grow. Help me with a subscription, a like, a share, and a comment. You are helping a brother. I want you to be part of my story. Yes. Once again, I would like to see you in my next video. Bye bye.